Welcome back to another episode of the Professional Journey with Debbie. I am your host, Deborah Aroni. The ICAN 2025 study packs are out. Yes, after the longest wait. These ICAN study packs are the official materials ICAN wants us to use to prepare for the examinations, so you don't want to miss it. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step guide on how to access and download the study packs right now. First of all, you're going to open your browser, type ICAN in your search bar. The first website that comes out is the ICAN website, so you click on it and it opens. This is the ICAN website. Then click on students. And when you click on students, you scroll down to learning materials. So on learning materials, you see the ATS studies text and the professional study text. So since there's ICAN, we need the professional study text. So I'm going to click on the professional study text. Wait for it to open. Then you scroll down and then you see the pathfinders, the pilots, the pathfinder, that's the past questions for all the years so far, then the pilot question and answers for this new syllabus, and then the last one you see the professional study text for 2025 written there. So you click on it and then it shows you the text. So depending on the level you are writing, if it's foundation skills or the professionals, you download the text that relates to you. So I'm going to be downloading the ones for the professionals. So I'm going to download advanced audits and assurance, SFN, SBR, which is CR, and advanced tax with and case study too. So you just click on each of the courses that you want to open the courses. So let's tap on them and it will load. So now I've downloaded the case study pack. This is what the new professional text looks like for case study. It's about 300 pages. This is the increase from the last one. I think the last one was about 200 and something pages. SBR study pack. For those that don't know, the SBR is the Strategic Business Reporting. It's the new name for corporate reporting. No more CR anymore. This is the Advanced Taxation. This is the SFM, Strategic Financial Management. Some things have been added to it. And this is the Advanced Audit Assurance and Forensic. So you can save the packs now on your laptop and access it anytime you want to read. So before we leave, I want to mention the pilot questions and answers. So because of this new syllabus that ICAN has adopted, they have to bring out a pilot questions and answers to show us the kind of questions to expect from this new syllabus. So now in studying, we don't just use the past questions. Because of this new syllabus, we have to adopt these pilot questions to know the kind of questions to expect for the coming diets. So here you see about 2 sets of questions relating to each course in ICAN, whether it is skills, professional, foundations. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment or a suggestion for us in the comment section. We'll be there to reply.